This video was made on the land of the Wurundjeri people of the Kulin Nation. The Swinburne Adobe Hub pays respect to elders past, present, and emerging, and acknowledges that sovereignty was never ceded. Before we get started, please make sure you're signed in to the Adobe Creative Cloud using your Swinburne ID and have the Adobe Portfolio site open. Adobe Portfolio is a quick and easy way to build a website without needing any coding knowledge or design experience. You can easily set up and showcase all your skills and projects onto this platform with the click of a button. Portfolio is a browser-based program, which means you don't have to install anything. Just head to portfolio.adobe.com. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to the theme pages. Here, you can choose from a selection of beautiful themes for your project. You can also see how each theme functions by clicking on the example images. You can always come back and change themes if you change your mind, so don't stress too much. Once you've decided on a theme, select the Use This Theme button in the top right. Portfolio will create an empty web page for you. A collection page will be automatically created as well. This is a page that groups together multiple individual pages for easy navigation. You can make more than one collection to showcase different sections of your work. Let's start filling out this collection by adding a page. Select the blue plus button in the top left corner and choose the Page option. Give your page a title that describes what you'll be putting in it, and use the navigation drop-down menu to choose whether to put the page in a collection or leave it as a standalone in your site's navigation menu. When you're ready, click Create Page and you'll be taken directly to edit it. If you've added your page to the wrong collection, you can change this by accessing the Page menu on the left sidebar. Here, you can click and drag on the hamburger icon to rearrange your pages. To rename your page or your collection, select the title and a text box will appear to change it. Once you're happy, press Enter on the keyboard. Let's get into adding content to our site. You'll see a list of different features to add to your page. Let's start with an image. You can select an image from your device files. If you don't have the image you want saved on your device, it can't be uploaded. You can customize the look of the image by selecting the blue tab on the top left and select Width, Alignment, and Margins to adjust the size or add captions. If you want to add multiple images to your page, a photo grid is a great way to keep this compact and neat. Hover your mouse over one of the edges of the image that you uploaded earlier. You'll see some plus buttons. Click where you want to place your next photos and choose the photo grid option. This will prompt you to upload as many photos as you want for the grid. Be wary, uploading many images at once can take a bit of time, especially if they're large files or if you have a weak internet connection. When all your images are ready, you can change their order if you want to by clicking on the grid option menu and choosing Manage Images. From here, you'll be able to sort them alphabetically or click and drag them to create a custom order. Once you're happy with your grid, let's move on to adding some text. Similar to adding an image, to add text, all you need to do is highlight a plus button and select Text. This will create a text box for you to type in. Alternatively, you can prepare your text in a Word or Google Docs document, so you can copy and paste your text in quickly. To make adjustments and customize your text, highlight the section you want to change and a grey options menu will appear. You can make changes to the font, colour, alignment, and add a link to your text. Perfect. Now that we have an image, a photo grid, and text to go along with it, let's try adding a video. There's two ways to do this. You can upload a video from your device files, just like we did before with the images, or you can embed a video from another source like YouTube or Vimeo. Click on a plus button and select the Embed option. This will open up a text box menu on the left-hand side of the screen and will prompt you to add in an embed link from your video of choice. Well done, we're almost there. If you decide that the style of the page isn't quite right, you can change your theme by selecting Theme in the left-hand side panel. This will take you back to the Themes page, and you can make your change. Once you've decided on a new theme, select Use This Theme. There's an option to return to your original theme later if you choose to. Once you've set up all your pages and are ready to let the world see your amazing work, select Publish Site in the bottom left corner of the screen. This may take a few moments to complete. Once it's been successfully published, Portfolio will ask you to return to edit or view your site. Keep in mind that anytime you make a change to your site, you must select Update your site to publish the changes. Portfolio won't automatically update the live site. If you decide later that you want to unpublish or remove your portfolio from the web, you can do this by selecting Settings on the left-hand sidebar. A new window will pop up. From here, select the Unpublish tab. Then you can confirm to unpublish your site from the web. Thanks so much for watching. You're all ready to start making with Adobe Portfolio. If you need help, there's plenty of resources at swi.nu/Adobe Hub, or get in touch with us at adobehub@swin.edu.au. We also have one-on-one sessions available. The booking link is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and comment what you want to learn next.